Hi, I'm Marcia from Guardair, and this is the Xtra Thrust safety airgun. Ideal for the toughest applications, the Xtra Thrust moves the heaviest debris by generating over 300% more thrust than conventional airguns. A high-power Venturi nozzle produces up to 2.8 pounds of output thrust when used with a high-flow connector and coupler. The Xtra Thrust meets OSHA safety standards by reducing output pressure to less than 30 psi if the nozzle is blocked. The Xtra Thrust features an ergonomic pistol grip handle for maximum comfort, a durable cast aluminum body with a rugged hanging hook, a wide comfort trigger, and an industry-standard 1/4 inch FMPT inlet. Xtra Thrusts are available with heavy-duty aluminum extensions ranging from 6 to 72 inches. Longer lengths are available on request. Visit our website for more information.